for grade 11. Actually, now from this video, let us discuss about the concept pressure. Now, if a force of say 600 newtons is applied on an area say about 0.4 square meters, if this force is acted on this area. Now let us calculate now what is the force acted on 1 square meter by dividing the force by the area of contract. Actually, you can find out the force acted on 1 square meter. When this becomes 6,000, this becomes 4. When you divide this by this, you will get 1,500 newtons per square meter. Actually, this is what we mean by pressure. Pressure is the force acted on a unit area. According to actually SI units, unit area is actually 1 square meter. Now, if 600 newtons of force is applied on this area, on 1 square meter, it will be 1,500 newton. Now, this is the pressure actually exerted there. Now, pressure exerted when a force of 600 newtons is acted on an area of 0.4 square meters, the pressure exerted there is actually 1,500 newtons per square meter. This can be written like this also, newtons per square meter. Or also you can say 1,500 pascals. Now Pascal is the standard unit of actually pressure. Standard unit of pressure is Pascal. 1 Pascal is actually 1 Newton per square meter. 1 Newton per square meter is actually 1 Pascal. Pascal is the standard unit of pressure. Now what we have done to calculate the pressure? Now we have divided the force applied by the contact area. This force is acted on this area, no? Therefore divide the force by this area. Then you will get the force per unit area. Force acted in unit area. Force acted on unit area. It is called the pressure. Pressure is the force acted on unit area. Actually, unit of pressure is actually Pascal. Pascal is equal to newtons per square meter. Now here 1,500 pascals, that is 1,500 newtons per square meter. Now let us do another sum. Now say there is a heap of soil. Now say heap of soil. Now on an area of weight of this heap of soil is say 600 newtons, and area to be 0.3 3 square meters. If this area is 0.3 square meters and the weight of this heap of soil is 600 newtons, let us calculate the pressure. Pressure actually can be calculated by dividing the force by the area. Weight is also a force. Weight is also a force. Therefore, weight is 600 newtons. Area is 0.3 square meter. It is equal to 6,000 newtons on 3 square meters. Therefore, 2000, when you divide this by this, you will get 2000 newtons per square meter or 2000 pascals. 2000 pascals. Now, what will happen when the same force is applied on two different areas? Now say a force of 300 newtons is acted on an area of say 0.4 square meters. This force is applied on this area, and let us think of another situation. The same pressure, the same force, the same force, if the same force is applied on 0.2 square meters. Now here, same force is applied. Same force is applied on two different areas. Here the area is 0.4 square meter. Here the area is 0.2 square meters. Now let us calculate the pressure exerting in these two instances. Pressure is equal to 3000 divided by 4. That is 750 pascals. Now here it is 3000 divided by 2. That is 1500 pascals. When force is applied on or acted on a large area, now pressure actually is low. Now here the same force is applied on actually half of that area. Here it is 0.4 square meter, it is 0.2 square meter, half of that. So therefore pressure actually is twice this. Here it is 750, here it is 1500. Actually twice this, because area has become, now area is small here. Actually area is half from this actually. Now here the area is 0.2 square meter, here the area is 0.4. Now half of this is 0.2. Half of this area is 0.2. Therefore, pressure is actually twice than this. Now this shows that when the same force is applied on two different areas, actually pressure is different. When the force is applied on a large area, pressure is actually low. When the force is applied on a small area, pressure becomes actually high. Now you have to understand this well. Now these concepts actually, the concept physics is more important. Now ask your friends also to participate in this and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.